Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to solve Roblox wide screen error. So there are at least three methods on how to solve this problem. First is go to the search icon and then search for Roblox. Now look for open file location and tap that. Now here right click and then tap this show more options and look for properties. Tap Properties, and go to Compatibility. Now here you have to make sure that you run this program compatible to your device. If you are using Windows 7, you should choose Windows 7 or 8. Also tap Disable Full Screen and run this as administrator. Once done, click Apply and then OK. Now you can also run compatibility troubleshoot iteration 1, but this one is optional. So you can also proceed to the next method. So second we have here is you just have to go again to the search icon and look for device manager. Open this one and then kindly look for display adapters, and what you're going to do is to simply update your driver here. Tap this one. Now search automatically for drivers, but if you're using the latest version of best driver, okay, no need to worry about it. So after that, you could exit this and proceed to the last step. And the very last step is you just have to restart your computer or device. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.